2020 Mazda CX-5. With less than 47,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.